Hello, my name is Taeho Kim. I'm CTO and co-founder of Nota. Nota is an on-device AI startup. We focus on making AI available everywhere. We have built the automatic model compression platform named NetsPresso. NetsPresso automates the AI model compression process without human intervention by combining multiple compression methods while satisfying the required metrics for development in real-world applications. By using NetsPresso, we aim to provide the optimal solution for the targeted task with the given dataset and devices to satisfy the user's requirement for accuracy and latency of the model. Users can optimize deep learning models in a wide range of settings without much learning curve. In my talk, I will take you step by step through how Nota was able to compress different deep learning models on ARM devices, including Regen 18 on Cortex-A 72. Commercial versions of lightweight deep learning models for facial recognition, intelligent transportation system, and the other applications will also be explained in details. If you need to deploy deep learning models at the edge, please come see me at the next ARM Tech Talk. Thank you.